Hello friends, today we will see the pink water mystery of lakes around the world. There are some lakes around the world. The water of that lakes are pink color. So in this video tutorial, we will see the exact reason behind that color of water that is pink. There are 6 to 7 lakes around the world. The color of that lakes are the pink in color. Here we can see there is a milky strawberry color of the lake. This lake is situated at the Western Australia called Lake Hiller. It is also referred to as Pink Lake Hiller. The 600-meter lake is situated right next to the Pacific Ocean. Here we can see the blue colored water, usual water color, blue color water, Pacific Ocean, and exactly from 600-meter away, this Lake Hiller is situated from the Pacific Ocean. Many countries have such lakes, pink colored lake actually, that include the Senegal, which is situated in the Africa, then Canada, Spain, Australia, Azerbaijan. There are some scientist team on the March 11, SciShow, they collected the water sample, actually the pink water sample from this lake, and they conducted one project. They named that project as Extreme Microbiome Project. In short, it is called as XMP, Extreme Microbiome Project. And the team which are conducting that Extreme Microbiome Project, they found that that lake contained the bacteria called halobacteria and unicellular algae called Dunaliella salina. That halobacteria which thrive in the salty environment, that halobacteria develop into the salty environment, saline environment, like the lake like Hiller, which is naturally pink and more than capable of dyeing large bodies of the water pink. That halobacteria have the capacity of give color to the water. That's why in previous figure we have seen the color of the water is pink. Then the algae Dunaliella salina, that is halophile green microalgae, especially found in the sea salt field, is normally green. In normal condition, that algae is green, but in extreme condition, extreme environmental stress condition like saline condition, that algae convert into pink. It relies on the beta carotene for photosynthesis. In extreme condition like saline condition, that Dunaliella salina algae secrete the beta carotene pigment for its photosynthesis, and because of this reason, that whole water get turned into the pink. These natural marvels tend to have a striking color due to the presence of algae that produces the carotenoids. That algae name is Dunaliella salina. Scientists with XMP, that project in previous slide, we see that XMP project found other red colored microbes including a few species of archaea. Along with this Dunaliella algae and Helicobacter, the scientists which running that project, XMP project, they again found other microbes, the species of archaea and Salinibacter ruber. Here we can see that these extremophile microbes can thrive in extreme environment, including the high salinity lakes like Hiller Lake, that middle island situated into the Australia. Here we can see the clump of the salt through the shore of this lake. Here in the under microscopic view of this Dunaliella salina algae, and this is a Salinobacter bacteria. This is a ultramicroscope study. Then next lake, that is Dusty Rose, situated at Canada. Canada Dusty Rose Lake, which is also pink due to the particular in the glacial meltwaters feeding it. The surrounding rock is purple pink in color. The surrounding rock is purple pink in color, and the shore of this pink lake, we can see the accumulation of this salt. The surrounding rock is purple pink in color. The water feeding the lake is said to have a lavender hue. Then next lake is situated at Azerbaijan, named as Lake Masazir. Lake Masazir is used for the salt farming. The cauliflower-like clumps we are seeing here, that cauliflower clumps resemble the giant cauliflower, are actually composed of the salt. The next lake, which is pink in color around the world, that is Salina de Torrevieja situated at the Spain. The hills of the salt can also be seen across the edge of the lake. Not much plant life exists where salt levels are such super high. There are no plant life around the shore of this salty lake. The Salines de Torrevieja, that meaning salt pans of Torrevieja, that turn pink when sunlight falls on the algae-rich water. The lakes are now protected national parks and are haven for the migratory birds like flamingo. Then diverse flora and fauna is also there. The next lake is Lake Retpa, which is situated at the Africa. Here we can see the people are harvesting the salt from the Lake Retba. This lake Retba have the 40% salinity. And one thing I have to mention here, during the harvesting of the salt from this lake Retba, before the harvesting, all the harvester rub the particular ghee on their entire body. That rubs that shea butter actually on their body so as to protect from the wound caused due to the salt before entering the water. Actually, Dunella algae, which gives the lake its distinct color, is completely harmless to the humans, and swimming in the lake is possible. The Dunella algae, though it gives the pink color to the entire water body, that is harmless to the human. That's why that salt harvester can harvest salt from this Redba lake, which is situated in the Africa. This lake is intensely pink during the dry season. Why? Exact reason behind, one reason may be behind is that during the dry season there is a high temperature, and due to the high temperature the water get evaporated and environmental stress is created to the algae called Dunella salina, which is dwelling into that lake. And to overcome this stress condition, that Dunella algae secretes the beta carotene, which is red in color, and due to the secretion of this beta carotene pigment, the entire watercolor converted into the pink. And as soon as the rainy season comes, that the salt concentration ultimately get reduced, because due to the rain, accumulation of large water into the lake is there, and that's why the salinity get decreased. And due to decrease in salinity, the amount of secretion of beta carotene pigment also get lowered, and the lake regain its not actually regains its original color, but the intensity of this pink color get sometimes it get reduced. The next lake, that is Hutt Lagoon in Australia. According to Australia's Coral Coast, the color, like several of the other pink lakes on this list, come from the presence of the algae. Yes, here also the Dunella salina algae, in the lake of the Hutt Lagoon in Australia. The coloring of this lake actually varies depending on the several factors. That several factors including the season, which season is going on there, and the time of the day, at which time, that depending on the time of the day, that color intensity of the color is different. If there is extreme dry condition or if there is extreme heat condition during the summer, the intensity of color get increased, and during the rainy season the intensity of color get decreased. Here we can see the Hutt Lagoon, Australia, the pink color of this lake. Then in Maharashtra, the world famous salt crater situated into the Buldhana district of the Maharashtra, which is first discovered by the scientist J. E. Alexander in 1823. It is nearly 500 kilometers from the Mumbai. The lake is the world's third largest crater, which is formed due to the meteorite strike on the Earth. It is a saline lake which was formed more than 52,000 years ago, formed due to the collision of 2 million ton crater that impacted on the Earth to create the depression, and that diameter of that depression is 1.83 kilometer and depth is 150 meter. In Lonar crater, now today is the date of 12th June 2020. From previous 4 to 5 days, the color of the Lonar crater is also changed from its normal color greenish blue to the pink. So there may be the reason here also presence of the algae Dunaliella salina. And now during the month of May, due to the evaporation of water, salinity of lake get increased. Due to this stress condition, the saline condition is also get created. Temperature was also extreme, and due to the sunshine condition, the alga Dunaliella salina multiplies itself and produce the high amount of carotenoid pigments so as to protect itself in such an environmental stress. This mechanism gives pink coloration to the lake. This green alga is also known as halophyte or salt lover. Along with this Dunaliella salina, one bacteria called halobacteria, that is halophilic obligate archaeon, that uses the carotenoid pigments to absorb the sunlight and convert it to the energy. This also turns the water into the pink color. Now we are going to see the video that should how in this video you can see the how the color of the Lonar lake appear like pink. This is a video of this world famous Lonar lake. Here we can see the pink coloration of that Lonar lake water. The one reason the scientists are telling that one reason behind is that due to the algae Dunaliella salini and Helicobacter, this color of this Lonar lake is get changed into the pink. In this previous slide, the study slide, here we can also see the color of the Lonar lake is pink in color. Pink lakes are very much like the gems made directly by the Mother Nature herself. These are actually the gift and the wonder of the nature which are gifted by the Mother Nature to us. Their very existence is the proof that nature is the gift that keeps on giving. Mother Nature have the capacity or have the tendency to give the gift to the man. So it's our the prime duty to conserve such gift which are given by the Mother Nature to us. Thank you for your patience hearing, and do subscribe and like my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you, friends.